In the woodlands of ancient North America, long before cities rose along the rivers, a culture emerged that shaped the landscape with earth and ceremony. This was the Adena, a people who built mounds, crafted intricate art, and laid the foundations for the societies that followed. The Adena lived in small communities scattered across the Ohio Valley. Their homes were circular, built from wood and bark, clustered near rivers and forests rich with game. They hunted deer and turkey, gathered nuts and seeds, and cultivated early crops like squash and sunflowers. Their world was woven from the rhythms of the land. What set the Adena apart was their connection to the earth itself. They built burial mounds that rose above the forest floor, some small and simple, others towering over the landscape. Inside these mounds, they placed carefully crafted grave goods, carved stone pipes, copper ornaments, shell beads, and effigies shaped with remarkable skill. Each mound was a monument to memory, identity, and belief. Their art reveals a culture with a deep spiritual life. Stone tablets bear geometric designs. Pipes carved into human and animal forms suggest rituals that blended the natural and the supernatural. The Adena saw the world as alive with meaning, and their ceremonies reflected that understanding. They were skilled traders. Materials from distant regions appear in their sites: copper from the Great Lakes, shells from the Gulf Coast, mica from the Appalachians. These networks connected the Adena to a wider world, spreading ideas and influences across the continent. Over time, the Adena culture evolved and blended into what archaeologists call the Hopewell tradition. Their mounds grew larger, their networks expanded, and their influence spread. The Adena name faded, but their legacy lived on in the earthworks and traditions that shaped the ancient Midwest. What remains today are the mounds rising quietly from the soil, reminders of a people who built their world from earth, memory, and belief.